Konnichiwa minasan. Let's learn today beginner's Japanese grammar for agemasu, moraimasu, kuremasu. So the lesson overview, the goal is to understand how to use, where to use agemasu, moraimasu, kuremasu, what are the particles used, and also usage of verb te form of any verbs plus agemasu, moraimasu, and kuremasu. You'll also see some easy examples and some quiz questions. Hai hajimemasho. Let's start with agemasu. So agemasu, the meaning is to give. That is, the speaker who is speaking mentions that he is giving something to someone, gives to someone. So, for example, watashi wa tomodachi ni hon o agemashita. So, I gave a book to my friend. Second one, haha wa kodomo ni okashi o agemashita. Okashi is snacks. Third one, watashi wa Tanaka-san ni hon o agemashita. I gave Tanaka-san a book. So, agemasu, you have to notice that it is from watashi to tomodachi, or a person A is giving to person B. All right. And the particle is ni. Tomodachi ni, kodomo ni, Tanaka-san ni. So, watashi wa tomodachi ni hon o agemashita. O is used as object marker for hon. And here okashi. And the third example is hon o agemashita. Next we go to moraimasu. Moraimasu, the meaning is to receive. That is, you are receiving from somebody else. That is, watashi receiving from tomodachi, for example. It can be anybody. Let's see the examples. Watashi wa tomodachi ni jisho o muraimashita. So, I received dictionary from a friend. Ishida-san ni omiyage o moraimashita. So, here watashi wa is hidden, but you can also omit watashi wa and can directly say Ishida-san ni omiyage o moraimashita. Watashi wa kaisha kara bonasu o moraimashita. So here you can observe the particle is I am receiving from somebody. So again ni is from Ishida-san ni. So in earlier agemasu you saw ni was to. Here ni is from. And whenever you are receiving something from an organization, you can say kara, kaisha kara moraimashita. Then we are learning kuremasu. Kuremasu is also to give. In English, we say I give him, he gives me. So we use only give. But in Japanese, when I give to somebody, it's agemasu. Someone gives to me or my family, it is kuremasu. So always the sentence starts with the third person. Observe that. And the particle can be ga or wa, but normally ga is used to emphasize on the subject or the topic. So the first example is tomodachi ga watashi ni presento o kuremashita. So my friend gave me the present. The sentence starts with tomodachi. So you can observe the particle ga and ni. Haha ga keiki o kuremashita. Mom gave me a cake. Tanaka-san ga watashi ni jisho o kuremashita. Tanaka-san gave me a dictionary. So observe here, it's the sentence starts with the third person and somebody else is giving to me. So that is kuremasu. Now the same concept of agemasu, moraimasu, kuremasu, we will use using a verb that is te agemasu. Now this is you do something for somebody. So in terms of favors or in terms of action you're doing. So watashi is suruhito. I am doing it, and tomodachi is morau hito. So to the friend you are doing something. Just check here. Watashi wa tomodachi ni shukudai o tetsudatte agemashita. You can see the picture here. I am helping my friend with the homework. So tomodachi ni shukudai o tetsudatte agemashita. Watashi wa tomodachi ni shukudai o tetsudatte agemashita. The second one is haha wa ototo ni obento o tsukutte agemashita. So who is making the obento? Haha. And she is doing it for the ototo. So haha wa ototo ni obento o tsukutte agemashita. So this is watashi or anybody who is doing to somebody else. So, in terms of a favor, or in terms of, I would say, in terms of an action, then you use a te form of the verb plus agemasu. Similarly, we are doing te form kuremas. Someone else does something for me or my family member. So, we are using te form of the verb and kuremas. Let's see the example. Tomodachi ga tetsudatte kuremashita. 母がご飯を作ってくれました。太郎くんが荷物を持ってくれました。So, my friend helped me. 手伝ってくれました。The mother made cooked food. So,ご飯を作ってくれました。太郎くん helped in carrying the luggage. 太郎くんが荷物を持ってくれました。The third one is てもらいます。Again, here, you're receiving someone else's help. You're receiving some action. You're receiving a favor or help or someone's action. So let's see the example. 母に髪を切ってもらいました。So I got my haircut done by my mom. So here 私は is omitted. You can use it. 私は母に髪を切ってもらいました。医者に薬を出してもらいました。The doctor gave me medicine. So I am the receiver. So I'm starting the sentence with the other person, but I'm receiving from them. So 医者に薬を出してもらいました。友達に宿題を見せてもらいました。So my friend showed me the homework. So I am the receiver and 友達はする人 or others する人。So a quick quiz for you. 田中さんは私、何々辞書をくれました。So に、が、お、から。The answer is 田中さんは私に辞書をくれました。So here 私に is to. He gave me the dictionary. 母がケーキを作って、is it あげました、くれました、もらいました。So here observe the sentence starts with the third person. Somebody else is giving to me. So it's always 作ってくれました。The same sentence, if instead of ga there was ni particle, then 母にケーキを作ってもらいました、you would say. But here it is 母が particle is different, so くれました。部長に書類を直して、書類 is document. So here the particle is ni. 部長に書類を直して、answer is もらいました。Alright, so some speaking practice. 私は友達に手伝ってあげました。So I help my friend. 母がお弁当を作ってくれました。What's the meaning? Mother helped me in making お弁当。or the mother made the お弁当。先生にレポートを直してもらいました。So I received the help from whom? From sensei. What did sensei do? Sensei corrected the report. 先生に花をあげました。So I gave sensei flower. So the summary is あげます。Speaker gives to someone. くれます。Someone else gives to me. もらいます。I receive from someone. Te form あげます。Do something for someone. Te くれます。Someone does something for me. Te もらいます is receiving favor from somebody else. はい、以上です。練習してね。ありがとうございます。